What's up, everybody? So the other day, Fable 5 finally came back out, and I've been wanting to make videos for a while, and I haven't seen any AIs that are really good enough to really make it worth making the games, checking them out, simulations, whatever. And so I finally did it. I finally spent the money. I got a decent plan, and I got a couple generations. I'm gonna try a couple videos and see how it goes. Today I'm gonna make three NES clones of as you can see, Duck Hunt, Paperboy, and Excitebike. It's already generated, but I'm gonna show you guys the prompt that I used. I see a lot of people saying they like ChatGPT. They have good, maybe because I don't have the paid version of ChatGPT, but so it doesn't really, they don't come out too good. So I've been using DeepSeek is actually pretty good. They like, come out with decent generations for prompts. So, I added a couple of videos or images. This is the prompt. It's a long prompt, really long. But so yeah, that's it. And all right, that's it. So now I'm going to show you guys the generation. And this is one generation on Ultra Code in Fable 5. Um, I think it came out really, really, really well, actually. I'll try a couple of the games. We'll go one duck, two ducks, and then we'll go clay shooting. It won't play too long. I don't know if you guys can hear if there's a little bit of sound to it. I mean, it looks decent. It plays smooth. It works when I hit them. Alright, I'm gonna miss this one. Oh, okay. There you go. Okay. Missed this one also. Oh, that one flew away also. Okay. Alright, we'll just get a game over then. And then we'll go to 2 and see how the 2 birds work. And then we'll go into clay shooting. Yeah, it looks like a bear a little bit actually. More than a dog, but still doesn't look bad, I think. I think it looks very, very well. For one prompt, one generation, that's it. I didn't mess with it at all after that, so it came out perfect. I don't like how they're stopping the for paid Claude for the Fable 5 on the, well, they keep changing it. It's the 19th now. But you're gonna have to use the just pay by the tokens on the whatever it's called. I can't think of it. Alright, so this seems to be working. Let's see if they seem to be getting a bit quicker. Because I think they will get quicker and they do different designs, different zigzags, whatever. They fly different directions. Alright, so we'll just see how they work on this one. And then we'll get a game over, then we'll go to the clay shooting, and then we'll maybe try Paperboy next. I like the sound of that. I like Paperboy. Ah, flew away. Yeah. Oh, both of them flew away. There we go. Alright, restart, and we're gonna try clay shooting. Like I said, it comes out really nice. All the modes seem to be working correctly. When I aim, it hits where I aim. So, that's good. Came out very, very well for one gen. Yeah, I'm not good at all. And I'm using my mouse, too. Yeah. Yeah, laugh. Alright, so yeah, that was the Duck Hunt. I thought it came out very, very well for being a single generation. Fable 5, I just think is that next push. I think I like it. Alright, so, oh, that seems to be, I didn't notice that. That's fine. The game played fine. It was enjoyable. So, alright. We're gonna go back to Claude now and check out the prompt for Paperboy. and here's the prompt. As you can see, I forgot to add in images for this one, but I mean, I still think it came out fairly decent. I'll check it out in a minute. I'm just gonna show you guys the prompt. Not as long as the other one, I don't think, but so yeah, DeepSeek, just a free version. I just go on it and tell it to make me a professional and good version of this prompt, or version of a prompt for this game. Something like that. Alright, so this was the prompt, and we're gonna check out the game now. So this is it. One generation of Fable 5 Ultra Code. Again, I think it looks really, really nice. Looks pretty decent. Let's see how it plays. Up or down, left to right, and M is for sound. Okay. Alright. I'm just gonna use my directionals. Alright. I mean, it doesn't look bad. It doesn't look great. No. Not by any means, but I lost. But I don't think it looks too bad. I missed the guy. Okay. Let's see if I could finish out the level. Yeah, see, I mean, I think it came out pretty decent. It doesn't really look, exactly like the original, but sorry, I was zoning out into the game. Alright, there we go. How many did I miss? One, I think. Oh no, did it stay on Monday? Or was last day Monday too? I think it messed that up. We'll see if we pass it this time again. Let's see, hopefully it gives me more newspapers. Couldn't get that house. And I died. Alright, let's just see if this gives us a Tuesday. Hopefully it does. I think it did. I played it a little bit, and I'm pretty positive it did. I think I got to like Wednesday, but I'm not the greatest at the game. Alright, we lost one. Training course, okay. I'm not good. Crashed. Alright, but yeah, like I said, there we go. Okay, went to Tuesday. I might have just lost before. But yeah, I mean, it looks pretty decent. It plays decent. It plays nice and smooth. It looks smooth. So, yeah, for, one prompt generation, I think that's amazing. So, that's what I'm saying. I finally figured, hey, this is good enough. There's a couple games that I wanted to try. Simple games, nothing crazy. And the ones that I've tried so far, I think come out pretty good. So, those are for future videos. I have a couple of them set up, lined up. So, a couple older classic games, PC games, a couple Flash games. So, okay. Hopefully I get past. Oh, and I right into it. I'm horrible. Okay. Alright. So, I'm just gonna try to speed through this, and we'll get to the next one. See if I can pass it. There's no houses at all. A couple of them. Yeah, it's missing a few things. Like I think it shows you the subscribers' houses before the round, before each level, I believe, in the original. So okay, there we go. So I liked it, For one-shot generation, I think it came out really good. Both these games so far. The next one also, they all came out really good. Alright, so we're gonna get to the prompt of Excitebike. Alright, and here's the prompt for Excitebike. I finally added the images to this one. I remember this time. But show more. I'm just gonna show the prompt real quick, and then we'll get to the game. I just added those couple images. Like I said, DeepSeek again. I think it makes the best prompts, and the games come out pretty decent. Whether simulations, whatever you're trying to do, I like DeepSeek. It's pretty good for that. So, okay, now we're gonna get to the game and check out Excitebike. And here we are. Again, one generation, one prompt. Let's check it out. We'll do a solo race, then we'll check out the level designer. I played once. I passed it, but this game is ridiculously hard. I just can't change the bike color, so that's no fun. We'll just try this one. And yeah, they don't start. And normally, I get my speed up. See? Oh, and you could overheat. And if you see this one, I'm gonna crash too. Yeah, I mean, see, it looks okay. The game plays okay. Again, I'm not good at this game, like I said. I'm not gonna use the speed up. Hopefully I won't crash again. It's only about freaking 2, 3, so. Yeah, sorry, again, already. Yeah. That's why I haven't even been able to finish, because I keep blowing up, or just exiting because I'm horrible at the game. But for you guys who used to play it, what do you guys think? I mean, it looks fairly decent. I mean, it doesn't really, but for what it is, I think it's fairly okay. For being one generation, it's a fun little game. You can just pop on and mess around with for a couple minutes, But, yeah. Alright. Oh, new track record, yeah. A whole minute and 22 seconds. Alright, so, go back. Let's try track design. I already tried a track record. Okay, that's out. Yes, okay. So we got some ramps that we could throw up. Small, large, some mud. Let's see, how do we go over? I forgot. Oh yeah, we have to, okay. Let's see, we got some bumps going. A cool block. I don't know what any of those do. Obviously the bumps slow you down. But, alright, we'll get another jump or two. Or 3, or 4. Alright, so that's just a quick, stupid little test. Alright, let's test it out. Okay, oh, I thought there was more, so yeah, I guess I didn't do too much. Yeah, so, yeah. Anyways, you can, you can play a couple more rounds, a couple matches if you're decent. I'm not. Map editor, that's pretty cool. Like I said, for one generation for each. All these games came out very, very, very well. That's what I'm saying. When I saw the Fable 5, saw the generations, I had to have it, and I'm glad I did, because, like I said, the other videos that I have coming out soon, like a couple older classic PC games, came out pretty decent, actually. But, so yeah, these were the 3 NES games. But yeah, so these are all the 3 of the games that I came out with. I think they all came out good. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. If you have any video ideas or whatever, let me know in the comments. And this is my first video, so if you could like, subscribe, do whatever if you like it. If you don't like it, even comment down below. Let me know what you don't like about it. My audio setup's a bit messed up. It's probably low, but yeah, let me know, good or bad. Just let me know so I can improve and get better. And so, alright. So that was it. The 3 NES games. What do you guys think?